How about the 1961 MG MGA Mark1 1600? Old English white over ox blood.
Yes.
Is that what the blood of an ox looks like?
Yeah, ugh.
Why not?
What a bad name.
One
perfect
family
name.
owned. Garage kept 1588cc 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual, and rebuilt dual 1-barrel carburetor. Does that make 2 barrels?
It does make 2 barrels. Yes.
Wow.
And
But it's
3 2 barrels is 6 barrels.
Like a lawnmower.
Not like a 4-barrel in the Holly carburetor department.
There you go.
Yeah, because we used to want to put a 4-barrel on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Dual line Holly.
yeah.